Welcome back, brothers. 2026 has just started. This is the year everything changes for you. But listen close. If you're still holding on to these 10 toxic habits from last year, you're sabotaging your own success. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 habits you must quit right now to become truly unstoppable in 2026. No fluff, no bullshit, just hard truths that will push you to the next level. If you're serious about becoming the strongest version of yourself, stay till the end, because habit number 1 is the biggest killer. Let's get into it. Starting with number 10, sleeping in late. You hit snooze again and again, waking up at 10 or 11 a.m. While you're sleeping, champions are already 3 hours ahead. Jocko Willink wakes up at 4:30 a.m. every single day. Dwayne Johnson starts at 4 a.m. Why? Because the morning is when you have full control. No distractions, no emails, just you and your goals. When you sleep in, you start the day reactive, rushed, and behind. Quit this habit today. Set your alarm early and get up the first time it rings. Your energy, focus, and wins will skyrocket. Number 9, endless scrolling on social media. You open Instagram or TikTok for 5 minutes, and 2 hours disappear. You're consuming everyone else's highlight reel while your own life stays average. Social media is designed to addict you. Dopamine hits every scroll. Studies show average person spends 2 to 3 hours daily on it. That's 1,000 hours a year wasted. Quit mindless scrolling. Delete apps or set 30-minute daily limits. Use that time to read books, work out, or build your skill. Your future is built in those hours you recover. Number 8, making excuses. I don't have time. I'm too tired. Monday si stat karunga. Excuses are lies we tell ourselves to stay comfortable. Every successful person faced the same 24 hours you have. They just chose action over excuses. David Goggins says, stay hard, no matter how you feel. Quit blaming circumstances. Take 100% responsibility. Next time an excuse comes, ask yourself, is this helping me or holding me back? Choose better. Number 7, surrounding yourself with negative people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend most time with. If your circle complains all day, dreams small, and pulls you down when you try to rise, you're infected. Cut toxic people out. It sounds harsh, but it's necessary. Find winners. People who push you, inspire you, hold you accountable. Join gyms, communities, online groups of grinders. Your environment shapes your destiny. Number 6, procrastination. Waiting for the perfect moment, perfect mood, perfect plan. News flash. Perfect never comes. The best time to start was yesterday. Second best is right now. Procrastination is fear wearing a mask. Start small. Just 5 minutes on the task. Momentum will carry you. Quit saying, "I'll see." Start today, imperfectly. Number 5, fear of failure. You're not starting that business, not hitting the gym, not learning that skill, because what if I fail? Every legend failed hundreds of times. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school team. J.K. Rowling rejected 12 times. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Quit fearing failure. Start seeing it as feedback. The real failure is never trying. Number 4, eating junk food every single day. Your body is your only vehicle to success. If you fuel it with garbage, fast food, sugar, processed crap, it will break down. Energy crashes, brain fog, low confidence. Champions treat food as fuel. Quit daily junk. Eat clean 80% of the time. Protein, veggies, whole foods. One change in diet can transform your energy and mindset. Number 3, skipping workouts consistently. You say you want to be strong, confident, disciplined, but you skip the gym when you don't feel like it. Exercise isn't just for body, it's for mind. It builds discipline, confidence, mental toughness. Quit skipping. Show up even on bad days. Even 20 minutes is better than 0. Consistency wins. That inner voice saying you're not good enough, you can't do it, it's lying to protect you from risk. But growth lives outside comfort zone. Quit listening to doubt. Replace it with proof. Small wins daily. Talk to yourself like someone you love. You have unlimited potential. Start believing it. And the number one habit you must quit: giving up too soon. Most people quit right before the breakthrough. They grind for weeks or months, then stop when results don't show fast. Success is delayed, not denied. Ronaldo didn't become great overnight. It took years of daily grind. Quit quitting. Commit to the process. When it's hardest, that's when you push harder. That's where unstoppable is built. Brother, these 10 habits are chains holding you back. Break them starting today, not tomorrow, not Monday. Today, 2026 is your year to become unstoppable, but only if you take action. Which habit are you quitting first? Comment below. Smash like if this hit hard. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm dropping daily fire to help you build the strongest version. Let's make 2026 legendary. See you in